kids! Welcome back to XoraTales. Today, we're going to learn a new letter, the letter Y. Are you ready? Let's go! Y for yak. yak. Y for yo-yo. yo-yo. Y for yarn. yarn. Y for yellow. yellow. Let's repeat it again. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Y for yarn. Y for yellow. Y for yam. yam. Y for yawn. yawn. Y for yacht. yacht. Y for yolk. yolk. Let's repeat it again. Y for yam. Y for yawn. Y for yacht. Y for yolk. Y for young. young. Y for year. year. Y for yes. yes. Y for you. you. Let's repeat it again. Y for young. Y for year. Y for yes. Y for you. Y for yoga. yoga. Y for yummy. yummy. Y for yeti. yeti. Y for yard. yard. Let's repeat it again. Y for yoga. Y for yummy. Y for yeti. Y for yard. Now you've learned the letter Y. Let's play a fun game. What is this? Yes, Y for yak. What is this? Great, Y for yo-yo. What is this? Good job, Y for yarn. What color starts with Y? Yes, Y for yellow. What do we say when we agree? Right, Y for yes. Awesome, you got them all right. Let's clap for ourselves. Bye-bye, little learners. See you soon with the next fun letter Z.